Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Selvan Rafaldiano from 11 TKG. Today I want to doing my English project, which is IELTS speaking text project. I'm going to test my IELTS speaking.
Okay, thank you. First question. Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
The most room that my family spend time with is the living room, because when our family have a guest or have some event, we always gather at the living room, because there's a place where we put a food, a drink, and also something like make the living room more comfortable for the guests, or even when our family had some conversation with family in that family, we can gather at the living room.
Okay, next one. Can you describe the place where you live?
So the place where I live in Central Jakarta at Kemayoran. There's like a house with literally more like complex, but so the place that I live is more like there's three mosques. If I go left, there's a mosque. If I go right, there's a mosque also. So if I want to go prayer at mosque, I can go literally anywhere. And also the place that I live is more like some compact, yes. And yes, done.
Okay, next one. Would you change anything about your home? Why or why not?
What the question again, sir?
Would you change anything about your home? Why or why not? Change about your home. Anything.
Something that I want to change in my home is maybe there's nothing to be changed in my home, because it's already comfortable. Even where is the living room, my parents' room, or my brother's room, and also my room, it's already comfortable, because the place is really good for our family, because it's strategic, like living room and the kitchen is at first floor, which is where our family is gathering, and also my parents' room is at the first floor, and for the second floor there's my room and my brother room. There's like three room and one bedroom we sharing. And for the third floor is like the place for guest room that our maybe a big family have gathering, and the family who want to stay at our home can stay at the third floor. And also my home is just the place that I didn't want to change so much, so I can really appreciate the home that I grew up with.
Okay. The fifth one. Which part of your home do you like the most?
Which part of what?
Which parts of your home do you like the most?
The part of my home that I like the most is kitchen. Cause in the kitchen my mom or my dad can cook some food that delicious, or even me or my brother can cook the food right there. Cause kitchen in my home is really the best place that I like, cause there's where I will take some food, cause I'm always hungry at home. And another thing is kitchen is the place where some delicious food or drinks I can take. So even if my own room is not as good as kitchen where I can take drinks and food, and also even though my room is the place where I play some game online or study or sleep, my room doesn't have any source to some food and drinks.
Okay, the last question. What is the difference between you are living now and where you have lived in the past?
So the difference between my old house and my new house is the difference. So from the old house, I live in Bekasi before in Central Jakarta. Bekasi is literally the place where I literally have a good neighbor, because neighbor in Bekasi is good and always be a guest at my house and be a good neighbor with me. While in now home is the neighbor is not really have talked to me or some interaction, but maybe I like the new place right now, cause just like it, like everywhere I go, like mosque or some store or Indomaret, like Alfamart, it really close to my new place to go. I think maybe that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.